Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create new thumbnail. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up Canva. We're going to use Canva to create the thumbnail. You can open canva.com or you can open up the Canva app. And then you're going to choose YouTube thumbnail here. And for the template, you're going to search news template. Wait, it's still loading. Okay, and then you can add news thumbnail like this. You can add news to the search menu, so you will get news template for your thumbnail. And I'm going to choose the free thumbnail. For example, wait guys, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and then you can edit the thumbnail as you like. You can change the tags and then change the photo. To change the photo, you just need to delete it and you can replace it with your photo. I'm just going to pick random photo from my uploading. Okay, like this. Oops, it's not HD. So I'm sorry guys. And yeah, you just need to edit it as you like. Let me replace it with this one. Oops, I need to delete it. Okay. And yeah, you can edit it as you like. And once you're ready to save it, you can click on share. And then you can choose the format. You can click on download here, and then you can choose PNG or JPG or PDF and just click on download. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.